Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from the new show Superkitties. I'm going to show you how to draw Sparks. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like, it really helps out the channel. And subscribe if you're new here, that would be great. Alright, so to start drawing Sparks, I'm going to start with an eye. So I'm going to do a circle. Like that. And we can do a little circle up top. And then another one. Kind of looks like this little one is just sort of placed on top of this one we just made. Now the next thing, we're going to do a little curve right here. And now this one we made, this circle, we can color that one in all dark. I'm going to go over that a little bit later with a marker. Alright, so now we are going to do a little eyelash. So we've got a little point, and we can come on up and curve down. And this part we're going to color in dark. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is a little nose. So we're going to give it a little bit of space and just do a little nose. Just kind of like an upside down triangle. And I'm going to do little nostril on the side, both there, both sides. And now we're going to do the other eye. So you can see that this right here, we've got a lot of space between the eye and the nose, whereas right here, not as much space. That's because I'm drawing the head on kind of a slant, so it's not exactly front on. If I were doing it front on, then there would be as much space from this side to the nose as there would be on this side. Okay, let's continue with our circle. And our little circle, and we can do a curve here, and coming on down this way, and then another curve. Right here, I can color in all dark. And then we're going to do the eyelash. So curve, and then we've got a pointy eyelash, and then that all goes dark as well. Alright, so now from the nose, let's do a little line coming down, and then we can do like a little smile. And I'm going to do a little line right here and right here. And let's do a little open mouth smile. And we can color the inside of the mouth all dark. I'm going to go over these dark spots with a black marker later when I'm coloring, just so it doesn't look as sketchy. So next, actually, you know what? I'm going to make the inside of this dark part of the eye a little bit bigger, just so it'll kind of match how much bigger the other eye is. Just try to make them match a little bit more, but it's okay if they're not perfect. We're just having fun here drawing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is the mask. So we're going to come on up here and do a little bit of a point, and then come on over. We're kind of going downward, and then up to another point, and then come on down. And right here, we're coming down and up. And coming over the nose, under the eye, and then coming on up. Next, let's do the shape of the head. So, a bit of a curved line here, and then come on down. Over here, we gotta do a little bit of a cheek. So we got a curve here, and then come on in under the mouth, and curve on up. And ears. So just like a little triangle. Same over here. And come on down. And we're going to do an inside triangle. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is the body. So let's see. On the outfit, on the chest, there's like a little heart. And that's inside the shape of a kitty head. And we got those two triangle ears. Okay. And now let's see, let's do an arm. And another line for another arm, or another line for the same arm. And bring a line down. Down, down, down. And over here, bring a line down. And then come on inward a bit. So right here at the end of the arm, let's do a hand. So let's do a little thumb. And 1, 2, 3 fingers. And we're going to do a little line here. And over on the other side, let's do the same. Bring down a line and another line. And we can do 1, 2, 3, another finger. And a little line here. Now let's do, down here, let's do the feet. So I'm going to do just a little foot here. And come on up. And another little foot. There at the very bottom of my page. And we can do a belt. There are 2 lines. And I'm going to put a line here and one here. Next, I'm going to do a line here and one just above that. One there and one there. Now, I'm going to do a little line from the armpit coming down, and it's going to go underneath that belt and then come on down here to the boot. And I'm just going to do another one that follows that. Okay. Now let's do a tail. So we got a fluffy tail, so I'm going to do some little strokes of fur. And then bring it on back. All right, so we are done drawing, and now I'm going to get started coloring. All right, so we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here next time for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.